everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name's Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama MD. On today's video, it's the unboxing of our February Glossy Box. So if you're interested to see what I got in my February Glossy Box, then stay tuned. If you don't know what Glossy Box is, I'm new to Glossy Box as well. January was my first box that I had ever received, and I do want to mention, and I didn't know this until after I had already received my box, there's actually a profile, and I had signed up with using my phone. So if you actually go on your computer, you will see like a whole profile where you can decide, you know, or let them know different things that you like and things like that. Okay, so I will say this is a monthly subscription, and after taxes and everything, I think it came to like $22.62 maybe, something like that. But you do receive it every single month, and like I said, you can go online, fill out your profile, all that good stuff. I do have a referral link down below, but I'm not sponsored or affiliated or anything like that. This is just the referral link that you get when you want to give it to a friend or something like that. So anyways, I'm done talking. Let's get into this unboxing. This is flippin' adorable. Look at this box, y'all. Isn't that okay? You guys know, if you don't, if you're new to my channel, here's a little FYI. I am obsessed with packaging. I love a cute package. Look how cute that is. Okay, this is gonna be a crazy long video unless I hurry up. Okay, so as always, absolutely adorable. You get to unwrap it. It does come with a postcard. The postcard, oh, it's just an empty postcard you could use. Okay. Sealed with a kiss, Glossy Box, hashtag Glossy Kisses. So this is, of course, everything that you receive in your box, a little description of it. I'm trying not to peek. So here is this part. Oh my, yes, girl. I love sheet mask, y'all. I flippin' love sheet mask. This is the Pore Charcoal Mud Sheet Mask. Blackhead, Whitehead, Titan 3D. Oh, okay. One mask is $5, so I don't think that's bad at all. The one thing that I've noticed with Glossy Box is I do receive more skincare items in it than I do makeup, which is kind of nice. This item right here is the John Masters Organic. I'm not for sure what this is, if this is a lotion. The Organic Body Wash and Body Milk. So this one is Body Milk, so it's a lotion, it sounds. Oh, it smells really. This smells really, really good. Okay, so here is the John Masters Organic Body Wash. Let's see if it smells the same. Yes, that smells nice and clean. I like that. It says it has grapefruit in it. Now, these are 2 full ounces a piece, and they retail for $6.50 just for these 2 ounces. That's expensive. Could you imagine a full size? Alright, so next I did receive this. It looks like it's a waterproof, transfer-proof, high color payoff lip crown, and this is by Deuce Relentless Matte Lip Crown. Retails for $22. Is this really red? Oh, it's really red. I'm not going to swatch it because this is definitely going to go in a giveaway. I have some reds that I use, but it's not my like half to half kind of thing. Okay, so next I received Vicente. I believe it's how you say it. This is the Vicente Cosmetics eyeshadow brush. The retails for $21. And I love this. This is like a good, you could use it as a concealer, but it says eyeshadow, but I like these kind of brushes too for your concealer. So we'll put that right into our brush holder. Okay, last in the box is Royal Scrubby Sugar Lip Scrub. Ooh, okay, and this retails for $14. You can never have enough lip scrubs, right? Put a little on. Oh yeah, that smells amazing. Okay, is it just me, or does anyone else like to try and taste it? My daughter yelled at me because I went to taste the lip scrub or the exfoliant last time. She's like, Mom! So okay, it smells amazing, so I will definitely be using that. Overall, like I said, this box cost with tax $22 and change, and I think it was a really good box. I mean, okay, so the grand total for everything, which was the lip crown, the brush, the sheet masks, the gel or the shower gel, the milk lotion as well as the lip scrub. Grand total came to like $75 and I only paid $22 and change. I mean, overall, the items that I will use in here, I will use everything minus this lip crown. So take that crown off of the total and it's still retailed for $53 for the items that I did receive. I will be using all of these items, so was it worth my $22 and change? For me personally, it was. It was because I will use everything minus that lip crown. So anyways, that is what I received in my glossy box for February. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you guys know what to do. And as well as if you want to be notified every time I upload a video, make sure to click that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you can be notified. So as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Bye!